All right, I'm going to introduce Google Keep on the iPad or the iPhone. So to get started, we're going to begin in the camera app. We're going to take a picture of this article from The Economist. So now we'll go to Google Keep, and then we're going to choose this, that's the plus sign, and we're going to add our note. So up here in the title, we probably just add, basic what it is, Economist article. And then down in the notes, I would add information like bibliographic information, citation stuff. If you click here, you will have the option to, not there, over here, the plus sign, sorry. You have the option to set up these little check boxes. So it's a good practice for students, maybe if they've got task items they need to get to. So that's the information in the note. Now you hit that plus sign again and you can add an image. So here's our image that we just took. If you click on that image directly, you can begin using the annotation tool. So as you see, it can annotate. This is kind of a copy feature. So if you wanted to grab that graphic there, you could pull it out. So now we've got our annotated image. That is now part of our note. See, note at the bottom, image at the top. So here you've got the ability to add labels. So I thought this would be a good COVID-19 category. We click that, there it is. You can make copies, you can color code it. I like color. So some other items. At the very top, there's a little alarm, and you can choose, it's right here, you can set reminders if you need to get back to something, and there it is. So the send feature, you can send it in a variety of ways. You can send it to Classroom, you can send it via email. You can also add collaborators. So here, if you were adding a group of students to a particular note, that's how you would go about doing that. Now, if we go to, and the pin feature, okay. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. But right now, we're creating a blank note. A blank note. So if you were just going to take notes yourself, I've heard from foreign language that sometimes they would like the ability to actually show how to make Chinese characters. This might be a way to accomplish that. You could, the teacher could set up a keep and then add students to it. And they could write their name in there. So these are your pinned items up here. Those are at the top. And so to me, that would be like the workspace that's still in progress. And then down at the bottom are just other notes. So I wanted to keep this short, so I hope this is enough. If it's not, please get in touch with me. My name's Courtney Barr, and my email address is bahrco@ensworth.com. Thanks so much.